Hello guys and welcome to a new crypto video of the most beautiful music instrument there is, the crypto violin. Guys, I hope you have an amazing day. Today we will talk about what happened with the Flare network airdrop and why the price of XRP dipped around 35% since we made a huge price spike to around 70 cents. Also, we will read some news articles and look at some amazing charts and what the XRP price did in the 2017 bull run. And we will see what the price of XRP did in the 2017 bull run. And based on this, we will try to predict what the price of XRP will do in this bull run. So I hope you're ready. Before we dive into the juicy and bullish content, I want to kindly remind you to subscribe to my beautiful crypto violin channel. We are at 8.7k subscribers. Let's go to the 10k, guys. We are almost there. It will be an amazing Christmas gift for me, your bullish crypto violin. I Christmas themed my YouTube channel and I also made some changes in the intro music. I hope you like it. Also, if you have questions, comment in the comment section below, but beware of the scammers and don't forget to like if you like the content I'm providing. Without further ado, let's dive into the juicy and bullish content I have for you today. So first of all, we will look at the XRP USD chart on the daily and we will see here that we made a price dip. We can see here that we almost touched 80 cents and then we made a dip all the way back down to 50 cents, even 48.5 cents. And now we are at 51 cents. That's a dip of approximately 35%, guys, okay? And this sounds extreme and it's sad, and of course we don't like to see the XRP price dip 35 cents because we expect it to exceed to $1 and beyond, and we all want to see new all-time highs. But guys, I want to show you what happened in the previous bull run. Maybe this can give you a little perspective on what's happening here, okay? So this is what happened in the previous bull run in 2017. Around 17th of November, in a couple days we rose 53%. And then around 1.5 weeks later, in one single day, we went down 32% and lost all the previous price rises, okay? So people were devastated and sad and they thought, oh my god, no, we went down all the way there, what should I do? But what happened, guys? Actually, the same day the price recovered again and a couple days later we were again up 28%. So that's very nice. But then 3 days later we went back down and dipped 22%. Okay, I can imagine people selling there because it has a huge psychological impact when the price rises and dips 20-30% at a time. That are huge price rises and huge losses, guys. But then in one day we went back up 30%. Can you imagine? 30%. So everybody was bullish after that and we thought, okay, finally we broke down out of resistance. And yeah, guys, in one single day the XRP price rose 120%. So that was very nice. And the day after, guys, we saw a price rise of 95%. Wow, people were amazed and people were happy. I was going crazy, guys. That's what happened. But then, guys, in 1 week we lost 51% of all the gains. 51%. I think this was the point for a lot of people who said, okay, no, I am out. 51%. This market is collapsing and it's a huge sell-off and we need to go away because XRP is selling off and let's sell. And people sold really at 48 cents. And actually it went down to 41 cents. After it reached 85 cents, it went down, guys, to 42 cents. And that's exactly happening right now. We went up to approximately 78 cents, almost 80 cents, and on Coinbase 92 cents, and we are going down. We went down to 48 cents, guys, and here in the previous bull run we went down to 42 cents, and that was devastated, guys. And everybody was sad. They thought, no, what can happen? No, we lost everything. They thought, okay, all the gains are gone. What should I do? People were sad. Of course, there were people that bought XRP over $1. Can you imagine, guys, people buying XRP at $1.12 and the price going down 66% in one single day, and you're seeing your XRP go to 42 cents. Wouldn't you go crazy? I would. But guys, only the impatient people will lose money in this space. Only the impatient people. Remember this, because 1 week later the price of XRP was already up and rose 360%, guys, and even higher to 472%. And everybody was happy again, and they thought, okay, it will go further up. And then in one single day we went down again 30%. So guys, prepare yourself for the 30% dips, because they're happening, if you like it or not. In the history of XRP rose 100, 200, 300% and then dipped 30%, 50%. So that's what's happening, guys. And that's also what's happening right now. So keep an eye on this and don't lose the bigger picture. Don't say, no, I will sell here because it will break down and I will lose everything. No, the only way you lose money is when you buy high and decide to sell lower than you bought. That will be the only time when you lose money, okay? If you buy high and you hold long enough and sell higher, then you'll make a profit. Only the impatient people will lose money in this space. I would like to read you the quote of Warren Buffett, one of the best investors in the world. He's worth billions and billions. He's one of the richest people on earth, and he said the following: "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." This also applies to all cryptocurrency and cryptocurrency trading, okay? So be patient. Again, I want to make one thing clear, guys. The only way to lose money while investing in cryptocurrencies is when you decide to sell at a lower point than you bought for, okay? So when you decide to be greedy, your emotions get in your way, and you're impatient, you think, oh, I bought high and now it's going lower, I will sell and buy even at a lower price, or I will cover my losses. That's when you lose a lot of money, guys. And I've been there, I've done that, guys. In the previous bull run, I did all of that mistakes, but I learned. So I want you to learn from my mistakes also. So guys, I want to give you an example of what can happen. Okay, I want to give you an example. Okay, bear with me on this one. Okay, you buy XRP at the price of $1. Okay, you buy XRP at the price of $1. Then the price dips. Then the price dips extremely and tests this resistance level. Okay, you didn't lose money yet. You didn't lose money. You will only lose money when you decide to sell. Okay, so when it hits this number, 20 cents, then you lost 80% of your money. You think, but this is not the case. You only lose when you decide to sell at 20 cents. When it goes to 20 cents and then you hold and then it goes to $2, then you made 100% return on your money, guys. This is how it works, okay? You only lose money when you decide to sell low. Just remember this. That being said, I want to cover a very interesting article that shows us that we are still so early and that huge institutional investors are entering the space. We are earlier than those investors, guys. We are so lucky to see prices like Bitcoin under 20K and XRP under $1. We are so lucky to see prices like Bitcoin under 20K and XRP under $1. We are blessed with those prices, okay? Once these markets take off, we will never ever see XRP under $1, and the Bitcoin price will just skyrocket to 100K at least. At least that's what I think, guys. Let's read this article from cryptonewsflash.com. JP Morgan, Bitcoin adoption by institutional investors has just begun. JP Morgan estimates that billions of dollars will be transferred from gold to Bitcoin. MicroStrategy's $650 million purchase of Bitcoin has not yet impacted the market. The institutional adoption of Bitcoin is growing faster. Although the number one cryptocurrency is moving in the range of $18,400 to $19,500, trying to break the resistance of all-time high, every week it seems that a giant of the traditional market takes a long position in Bitcoin. At least That's how it's been for the last 6 months, since the MicroStrategy, Square and PayPal announcements. In that sense, JP Morgan analyst Nikolai Panigritsolu admits, I'm sorry I butchered that name guys, but I hope I pronounced it well, admits in a new report that the institutional adoption of Bitcoin has only begun. The analyst estimates that Bitcoin only represents 0.18% of the investment of family offices. In contrast, gold ETFs represent 3.3%. Therefore, a change in the allocation of funds would bring billions into Bitcoin. Along these lines, researcher Tuur de Meester also referred to the purchase of $100 million in Bitcoin from the insurance giant MassMutual. According to him, this announcement could have a similar domino effect to that of MicroStrategy, as de Meester states. Back of napkin, if the entire life insurance sector were to allocate just 0.1% of its assets in Bitcoin at the current price, they would be in the market to buy 251,400 Bitcoins for $4.5 billion, or 1.35% of circulating supply. JP Morgan's report indicates that 3 main factors have been key to the institution's shift to Bitcoin. As the image below shows, Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust has outperformed gold during 2020. Grayscale's product, GBTC, has an unprecedented success this year, and the company has increased its funds in cryptocurrencies to over $12.2 billion due to strong demand from its clients. Institutions' investment in Bitcoin not priced in. As reported by CryptoNewsFlash.com, the company led by Michael Saylor, MicroStrategy, has made a risky bet. The company will issue $650 million worth of senior convertible notes to buy more Bitcoins, in line with its treasury strategy. The initial offer was $400 million, but strong institutional demand allowed MicroStrategy to issue more debt. Despite of this, the price of Bitcoin has remained stagnant over the last few weeks. Via Twitter, Nick Carter wonders why there hasn't been a significant reaction in the market. Whales don't usually announce their purchase to take advantage of bearish trends, as Carter said. There is no way you can buy 650 million worth of Bitcoin without a market impact. Never before have we seen a whale publicly announce in advance that they would be taking a position in specific size. Markets should obviously be incorporating that info. My point is that markets should logically be anticipating the market impact of the forecasted buy, which will absolutely be non-zero. Not that I expect Saylor to smash market buy on Coinbase. Carter did not come to satisfactory conclusions about the apparent immobility of Bitcoin's price in the face of the company's purchase. Some community members have expressed concerns about Michael Saylor's strategy and fear that the CEO is preparing to dump the market. However, MicroStrategy's CEO has said that he plans to hold Bitcoin for years. Okay guys, this is so bullish. We see that the Bitcoin price is at 18,900 and recovering very fast. Today it's already up 5% and it's recovering very fast. We can see it breaking all-time highs very soon guys, okay? So that's very bullish. So with huge institutional investors entering the crypto market, this makes me very bullish guys, and I hope also this makes you bullish and this makes you realize that Bitcoin will go to new all-time highs, and when all the cryptocurrencies rises, and of course sometimes with price delays. But what happened to XRP will happen again guys. Huge price rises are incoming. That's what I believe, that's what I trust, and that's what I breathe guys. So I hope you're with me, and I hope we will survive those price dips and go to see new all-time highs to at least $20-30. That's what I predict guys. I hope you liked the content provided. If you did so, please like and subscribe. We are at 8.7k subscribers. Let's go to the 10k subscribers guys. Let's help your boy Crypto Violin. Don't forget to comment in the comment section if you have questions. Beware of the scammers, don't trust them and don't talk to them. I am always reporting them and I'm always deleting their comments, but beware. I hope you have an amazing day. See you in the next bullish and juicy video. Bye.